let's take a look in the craft crate. All right, what can we do? So, got a pencil and a jar and a piece of cardboard and some tape. Got a light, flashlight. Oh, need that. That's the lid to the jar. And some aluminum foil. Let's make a star jar. Oh, I forgot kind of the most important part. So you might want to find something like a pencil, but I have a poker, so you might need to ask for help from a grown-up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this jar and we're gonna take some aluminum foil, and then we're going to put aluminum foil inside the jar. We'll drop a light inside of the jar and see what it looks like in the dark. What do you think, Teddy? All right, Teddy likes stars too. Do you like stars? Yeah. All right, so let's estimate here. And we want to fold it in half, okay? There we go. All right, let's see if it goes all the way around. Oh, nice. It goes all the way around my jar, but you might have to have a little bit more. So with the pencil, so we can draw like the Big Dipper. Do you know what the Big Dipper looks like? Kind of looks like a spoon. And, ooh, we can make a star. A star in the stars. There we go. And then, you just poke holes. Be careful though, don't hurt yourself. You can ask a grown-up for help. All right, there we go. So, now we want to take our jar, we can move our cardboard out of the way, and we can move our pencil and our poker out of the way. And so now, take our jar, there we go. I have this little circle light like this. And this one fits neatly down in there. There we go. All right. Well, let's turn the lights off. All right, here we go. Whoa! All right, let's put the lid on it. Wow! You see all the stars? Man! That is what's up. Hola amigos! If you had fun, subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the button below. Or you can watch more videos by clicking that button over there by Teddy. Teddy, how are you moving?